I'm almost certain he's not going to claim it's misheard, so I think it's never going to come in.
Right. Ms. Beredhoft, I understand all that argument. Do you have any argument as to this particular motion?
No,
okay, well, then we can address you.
The judge of the Depp-Heard trial had often reprimanded Elaine Beredhoft for her mistakes, poor lawyering skills, and more. But she never stays back and always gives the judge another opportunity to do the same. She filed a motion to redo the trial because no evidence supports the claim. This made the judge call her back to the courtroom for further discussion. Do fans think the motion makes sense to redo the trial? Is this a strategy that backlashed her? Keep watching to know. Surely the judge must be so angry with Elaine that she wants to talk to her again. She stated that she should not file any more motions or schedule new meetings before beginning the appeal process, which she did. So there's a good chance they've been conversing. A tweet says Amber Heard and Elaine Beredhoft can't stand each other. Finally, it was reported that the judge was sick of Team Heard. They denied the reports, and it appears that they were correct. Judge says, and Ms. Beredhoft, I will comment to you, and maybe I shouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. But you risk losing credibility with the court when you come before the court and accuse the other side of not following the rules. Yet you repeatedly have tried to add matters to the argument docket that were not on the docket. Would be a violation of the rules. You also send vastly overbroad requests, apparently in the hopes that they will negotiate something better than what you might have gotten had you sent a reasonable request in the first place. So that's part of the reason that we have this on the Friday docket. Not simply because they are not giving you everything that you ask for, or they are not negotiating in a fashion you wish for them to negotiate with. So I hope I am clear on that. I am sorry, I have to say it. Fans got furious over Elaine's motion to redo the trial. They were like, why didn't she file an appeal instead of a motion? What does she think of herself, or what is her next move? Fans furiously trolled her as their reactions. One fan commented that they even went so far as to say that those who reported that the judge was fed up with Heard and Elaine were bullying them. However, it is a matter of record, and here's a small sample of that record, LOL. Another replied that, what I want to hear is that their claim to dismiss the case on the basis of a juror conspiracy has already been dismissed. What I really want to hear is that she's decided to pay JD the money and stop wasting everyone's time. One fan wrote, did you attend the entire court hearing? Elaine, like Binder, was wasting time with nonsense during the Rittenhouse case. The judge did not despise Heard and Elaine. She, like the jury, was simply frustrated. Another added, Elaine must be well compensated for her participation in Amber's charade. One more added, I believe Elaine is also pushing this entire thing because she lost her client's case and is still hung up on the UK trial, which we all know had nothing to do with this most recent one. One wrote, are these the documents that Judge A ordered to be unsealed? It's magnificent. Another comment says, every day these videos appear to be reaching National Enquirer proportions. One comment appeared that, maybe, but I don't want anyone to cast aspirations on Judge Penny because regardless of personal disdain or dislike for either side, I thought she was more than fair to both sides and completely impartial. One more said, I believe the judge was fair and impartial throughout. Anyone who says otherwise is probably on Team Heard's side, looking for reasons to dismiss the case, and it's a legal sleight of hand at best, perjury at worst. Another added that Heard's new argument will be that the judge is a misogynist. Another says, let AH call Judge Penny on national television and see what happens. One user added that, did anyone else notice that Ben Rottenborn isn't on the list of attorneys? He is also sick from Amber. Another wrote, yes, but he was on the trial team and was listed, but he is no longer. Scamber lied, and perhaps he is a decent attorney with morals. Another further says, hello, I just read on Twitter from Dr. Proudman that Amber's team has filed an appeal to overturn the verdict. Is this true? What are your thoughts? Also, all of her hippie supporters are constantly calling JD a wife beater online. Do you think legal action should be taken? One user says, yes, but the judge has already stated that she is not interested in new motions, and they claim Juror 15 has an age disparity. But he was approved by her team, and this is not a basis for appeal. Additionally, all of their arguments are old and have already been denied. Another tweet states, they filed a motion to vacate the verdict, but they have only filed a notice of appeal. They have not yet filed an appeal. One more added that they will not stop until an order is received. They're both insane, and it appears Elaine can't stand losing either. What do you think about Elaine's stupid move filing a motion? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.